Welcome back to Viral Bites. Today, we're taking a lightning-fast trip to some incredible places around the world that don't feel real. First, the Vizcaya Museum and Gardens in Miami, Florida. This stunning estate, with its European-style gardens, feels like you've stepped into a Mediterranean dream. In Houston, Texas, the Houston Water Wall is a mesmerizing sight. This 64-foot-tall waterfall fountain creates a surreal urban oasis in the heart of the city. In Seattle, Washington, the Chihuly Garden and Glass exhibit dazzles with its vibrant, otherworldly glass sculptures that seem to defy reality. Boston's Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum, with its stunning courtyard and eclectic art collection, feels like a piece of Renaissance Italy in the middle of Massachusetts. San Francisco's Wave Organ is an acoustic sculpture that interacts with the waves, creating eerie and beautiful sounds, making it feel like a portal to another dimension. In New Orleans, Mardi Gras World lets you step into the vibrant and surreal world of Mardi Gras anytime. With its giant, fantastical floats and elaborate costumes, New York City, the vessel at Hudson Yards is a futuristic, honeycomb-like structure that offers unique perspectives of the city, making it feel like a sci-fi movie set. From natural wonders to urban marvels, these places prove that our world is full of spots that seem almost too incredible to be real. Which one amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content from Viral Bites. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.